Good morning students, welcome all of you in maths class standard 7. So lastly we did our exercise 2.1 question number 4. Now we are moving on question number 5. So what question number 5 says? Question number 5 says find the perimeter of triangle ABC, and the second one says the rectangular BCD in this, the rectangle BCDE in this figure, whose perimeter is greater. Obviously, see, as per question we have to find out two perimeters. First of all for the triangle, and the second one is this rectangular. So we will name it A, B, C, and that B, C, D and E. So as you separate them, see, on the top part you can see it is a triangle, and on the bottom part it is rectangular. So separately we have to find out the perimeter of both of them. After finding out perimeter we have to compare them, that whose perimeter is greater, किसका perimeter बड़ा है. Easy perimeter find out करना, अगर perimeter find out करना का formula पता है तो rectangular, for the rectangular it is 2 into length and breadth, and for the triangle you have to add all three sides for the perimeter. So first of all for the triangle, perimeter of triangle is equal to all the three, addition of all three sides. So AB plus BC plus CA. Easy है. Now the one thing you have to watch out is all the terms are in mixed fraction. One of them is only fraction, others are in mixed fraction. So you have to remember that first of all mixed fraction you have to convert in improper fraction. After that you can solve it. So AB is 5 by 2 centimeter plus BC is what? BC is 2 and 3 by 4. 2 and 3 by 4 plus CA is what? CA here 3 and 3 by 5. 3 and 3 by 5. Now as you can see 5 by 2 plus 2 and 3 by 4 plus 3 and 3 by 5. So that's how we have to find out perimeter. अब perimeter find करना है, first of all we have to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 5 by 2 plus here 4 2s are 8 plus 3 it is 11 divided by 4 plus 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 3 divided by 5. So here 5 by 2 plus 11 by 4 plus 18 by 5. Now 5 by 2 plus 11 by 4 plus 18 by 5. अब हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे, you have to add the fractions. अगर fractions को add करना है, addition करना है या subtraction करना है, what you have to do? You have to make the denominators equal as the first step. So how can we make the denominator equal? By LCM method. So let's find out LCM of 2, 4 and 5. 2, 4 and 5. Obviously first of all I start with the 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 5 cannot be divided by 2 as it is. Now again 1 as it is, 2 1s are 2 and 5 cannot be divided as it is. Now 5 1 1 and 5 1s are 5. So our LCM could be 2 multiply 2 multiply 5. This three term we have to multiply. So 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So 20 is your LCM. So here you can write down LCM of 2, 4 and 5 is 20. So now here LCM 20 आ गया. Now we have to make all denominator 20. Why? Because we took LCM and LCM is 20. So now take first term 5 divided by 2. So in 2's table when 20 comes 2 10s are 20. So 10 नीचे multiply किया, you have to multiply on the numerator as well as 11 by 4. 4, what to multiply with 4 to make 20? 4 5s are 20. Multiply 5 with the numerator, same as here 18. Divide by 4. 5 4s are 20. Now see, our denominators become 20. So here I am skipping one step, directly writing 20. Why? Because this all becomes 20. 5 4s are 20, 4 5s are 20, and 2 10s are 20. So I took one of them 20. Now 5 10s are 50 plus 11 5s are 55 plus 18 4s are 72. So now is equal to 50 and plus 55, it is 105 plus 72 divided by 20. Now 105 plus 72 is what? 5 plus 2 7 7 1. So 177 divided by 20. So this is the answer. This is the answer of centimeter. Why centimeter? Because we are finding perimeter of triangle. So here the perimeter of triangle we find out 177 divided by 20, which is the perimeter of triangle, which is on the top in this figure. So this part we completed. Now we have to find out this part, perimeter of rectangle. So वो कैसे find out करेंगे? For that perimeter we have to find the same thing. So let's find out the perimeter. Okay, so now as you can see here, we find out the perimeter of triangle. Now we have to find out the perimeter of rectangle BCDE. So for BCDE, one thing you have to know, you want length and breadth. Why? Because our formula for the perimeter of triangle is L plus B, 2 into L plus B. So in the bracket 2 L plus B, so what we need length and breadth. So here as you can see, the length is given 2 and 3 by 4 centimeter, as well as breadth is given this part. This is the breadth and this is the length. और रेक्टेंगल में सामने की दोनों साइड इक्वल होती है. सो यहाँ पे दिया हो या यहाँ पे दिया हो, दोनों में से कोई भी एक साइड दिया हो, यू कैन कंसिडर इट. सो 2 and 3 by 4 जो कि हमारी लेंथ हो गई. हियर BC और CD जो कि हमारा दिया हुआ है 7 by 6 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ इसको हम यहीं पे सिंप्लीफाई कर लेते हैं. सो आगे हमको उतना टाइम बचेगा. सो यहाँ पे 4 2 जा 8 plus 3 11 by 4 centimeter, and this one is 7 by 6 already. So now we have L and we have B. Just put it in the equation. 2 into L plus B, which is 11 by 4 plus here 7 by 6. So now what you have to do, just take LCM. Why we have to take LCM? Because we have to ऐड फ्रैक्शंस. तो फ्रैक्शंस को ऐड करने के लिए हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा? एडिशन करना पड़ेगा. अगर लाइक फ्रैक्शन है तो ऑलरेडी नीचे का डिनोमिनेटर सेम होगा. अनलाइक फ्रैक्शन यहाँ पे दिए हुए, सो उनको हमको एलसीएम फाइंड करना पड़ेगा. सो 4 and 6, which is 2 2 जा 4, 2 3 जा 6. अगेन विद द 2, 2 1 जा 2, 3 as it is, 3 1 जा 3. सो LCM is 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. 2 2 जा 4, 4 3 जा 12. So here 12 is your LCM. So here you can write that LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. ये हमारा आ गया LCM. Now what we have to do? We have to make denominator as per our LCM. So 2 into bracket 11 divided by 4. What to multiply to make a denominator 4 with a 4? What to make a multiply with the 4 to make a denominator 12? So 3. Why 3? Because 4 3s are 12 plus here 7 by 6 you have to multiply 2. Easy है. Now just do the math. 11 3s are 33 divide by 12 plus here 7 2s are 14 divide by 12. Now see here 2 in the bracket 33 divide by 12 plus 14 divide by 12. So now 2 in the bracket 33 plus 14 divided by 12. Now why I am doing this, you know that already. We did a lot of examples, so I am not explaining again and again. Now you are prepared to understand what is going here. It is only just simple addition, and what I am doing, the first step completed, make the denominators for इक्वल. नाउ इक्वल डिनोमिनेटर को एक ही बार में लिख दिया. अब क्या करेंगे, न्यूमरेटर का एडिशन करेंगे. सिंपल है. सो 4 + 3 7, 3 + 1 is 4 डिवाइड बाई 12. So now here you can see that, can you divide this? Yes, 2 6 are 12. So here you have 47 divided by 6. So 47 divided by 6 centimeter is your perimeter of rectangle B, C, D and E. Now we have two perimeters. So what we have to do? We have to compare it. So now let's do comparison. Okay students. So here we find out perimeter of triangle ABC, which is 177 by 20 centimeter, and the another is BCDE, which is 47 divided by 6 centimeter. So now we have two perimeters. Now what we have to do? We have to compare them, which one is bigger and which one is smaller. For comparison, what we have to do? We have to again make the denominator same. अगेन उन दोनों का डिनोमिनेटर सेम करना पड़ेगा. उसके बाद ही पता चलेगा कौन सा न्यूमरेटर बड़ा है, कौन सा न्यूमरेटर छोटा है. न्यूमरेटर पर से हमको पता चलेगा कौन सा बड़ा कौन सा छोटा. सो फॉर दैट व्हाट वी हैव टू डू? वी हैव टू टेक एलसीएम अगेन. So on this side I am taking LCM of 20 and the 6. Both can be divided by 2. So first of all 2 10s are 20, 2 3s are 6. Now again it can be divided by 2. 2 5s are 10, 3 as it is. Now we can divide 3 only with 3, 5 as it is, 5 1s are 5. So all done. Now just multiply this. 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. So this 2 becomes and this 2 becomes. So 2 2s are 4 becomes and 3 5s are 15. Now 15 4s are. So 60 is LCM. So 60 is your LCM. Now multiply with the make the denominator 60. अगर 60 करना है तो क्या करेंगे? 177 डिवाइड बाई 20. विथ 20 में कितना मिलाएंगे तो हमको कितना मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमको डिनोमिनेटर 60 बनेगा. 3 23 are 60. सो हियर यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई 3. सेम एज 47 के साथ भी सेम करना है. 47 डिवाइड बाई 6 कितना मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमारे पास 60 सेंटीमीटर डिनोमीटर आएगा. अगर नहीं पता चल रहा तो यहाँ से पता करो. 3 2s are 6. ये हो गया 6 बना दिया इसको. 3 2s are 6. तो बाकी बचा क्या? 2 and 5. सो 2 5s are 10. सो 10 6s are 60. सिंपल है. सो यहाँ कितना मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? 10. अगर ये भी नहीं पता चला टेबल से करो. टेबल में अगर नहीं आ रहा है तो ये मेथड से करो. दोनों में से कोई भी एक मेथड से आपको आंसर मिल ही जाएगा. सो नाउ जस्ट यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई 177 विद 3. 177 मल्टीप्लाई विद 3. सो हियर 7 3s are 21, 2 goes up, 7 3s are 21, 22 23, 2 goes up, 3 1s are 3 plus 2 5. ईजी है. सो 531 डिवाइड बाय व्हाट? डिवाइड बाय 20. सॉरी डिवाइड बाय 60. Why? Because denominator we make denominator as per LCM. So now 47 multiply 10, which is 470, divided by 60. Now as you can see, which one is greater? You can see 531 divided by 60, and the another one is 470 divided by 6. Which one is greater? Obviously 531 is greater than 470. तो मतलब 531 किसका आंसर है? 177 का. 177 डिवाइड बाई 20 इज ग्रेटर देन 47 डिवाइड बाई 6. मतलब यहाँ पे हुज पैरीमीटर इज ग्रेटर. सो ये किसका पैरीमीटर है? 177 divided by 20, which is the perimeter of triangle. So here you can say that perimeter of triangle ABC is greater than BCDE. Is a perimeter of triangle ABC is greater than perimeter of rectangle BCDE. So हमने फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल क्या किया? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सेपरेटली हमने फाइंड आउट किया पैरीमीटर ऑफ ट्राइंगल, देन पैरीमीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल, जो कि हमारा यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं 177/20 मिला, और पैरीमीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल मिला 47/6. फिर हमने उसको क्या किया? फिर हमने उनको कंपेयर किया. फॉर कंपेरिजन वी हैव टू मेक डिनोमिनेटर्स इक्वल. जैसे कि असेंडिंग और डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में हम करते थे, वैसे ही सेम प्रोसेस यहाँ फॉलो करना है. एलसीएम लेना है, डिनोमिनेटर सेम बनाना है. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, जब भी कोई दो फ्रैक्शंस को कंपेयर करना होता है, तुमको डिनोमिनेटर सेम बनाना ही पड़ेगा. अदरवाइज यू विल नॉट नो दैट विच वन इज बिगर और विच वन इज स्मॉलर. सो वेन एवर द कंपेरिजन कम्स ऑफ फ्रैक्शन, यू हैव टू टेक एलसीएम एंड मेक द डिनोमिनेटर इक्वल. आफ्टर दैट you can easily identify which one is greater and which one is smaller. And the another thing you have to remember, LCM दो जगह पे यूज़ होगा. एक, जब आप एडिशन कर रहे हो फ्रैक्शंस का, तब आपको फर्स्ट स्टेप में LCM करके डिनोमिनेटर इक्वल बनाना पड़ेगा. और सेकंड, जब आप कोई दो फ्रैक्शन को कंपेयर कर रहे हो, देन एट द टाइम यू हैव टू do the LCM and make the denominators equal to compare the both fraction which one is greater and which one is smaller. So यहाँ पर भी मैंने सेम चीज़ की, दोनों पैरामीटर्स को हमको कंपेयर करना था, which one is greater and which one is smaller. So for that I took LCM. LCM is 60. So after 60 I easily find out which one is greater. So obviously perimeter of triangle ABC is greater than perimeter of rectangle BCDE. So here our question number 5 solved totally. Now we are moving on question number 6 in next video lecture. Till then, thank you.